I promised you yesterday that I'm gonna do another video today, and here I am. So I'm back to talk to you about Bitcoin, crypto, in general, what's gonna happen, what to expect this week, how you should trade it maybe if you wanna trade it, you wanna take some risk and trade the situation that we're at, be my guest. I'm not really doing that, and I will talk to you a little bit more about what am I doing right now and what I expect for the coming week after this. So, in the past few days, weeks, we had a lot of crashes, the market crash and the crypto market crash, and a lot of people are very, very fearful. And that's why I always listen to the quote, when everybody are fearful, be greedy, and when everybody are greedy, be fearful. So we had our situation before that we were part of the greedy, and we had to be fearful that time. Right now, everybody are fearful, and this is exactly the time that I am greedy. Yes, I'm greedy, guys. This is the time that I'm gonna be greedy. So what I wanna do again is just right now, not be greedy by just buying all the time. I'm greedy by waiting. My greed is my patience right now. What do I mean by that? I can buy right now at a great price. And maybe it's also a good thing to buy right now. But I really expect way more downside to the market with the recession, with the inflation, with the shrinkflation, all the words that end in Asian, but not Asians actually. Inflation, recession, all of this. All of those, I expect more. So I think that the market is not done with going down, and the crypto is not done with going down. However, looking at the S&P, for example, there is a chance that we're going to have a nice bounce this week. Looking at the charts, looking at the RSI, there is a chance the S&P will go up a few percentage, touching the supports and everything. We're going to look at it. Let's actually go over to the charts to look a little bit more on that. All right. So let's go over Bitcoin first, okay? So Bitcoin broke this level, you can see. Let's go over it, make it a little bigger so you see better. So we had this major level of support at the 28,000, okay? We broke it, and in the area of May 11, for example, May 12th. So we broke it, we went down all the way to 25,000 from there, and then we went up from this level to the 31, and we just consolidated. I'll tell you exactly how many days. Let's say from this area, we consolidated 30 days before breaking this level of support. So once we broke this level of support, we came down very fast to the next level, which was around the 21,000 to the 19.8, for example. Okay, this is the levels that I have. Okay, so right now we broke this level. Okay, we got all the way down to the 17,627, let's say. Okay, we have also here a level of support, but not too big. You can see it's just right here. Okay, you can see it here on the side. So we stopped on December in 2020. We had this level. It's a level of support, but it's not too major, and that's why I didn't draw it. But I guess it is a bit major because this is where we stopped. Okay, we stopped just exactly in the same level. You can see I'm going to put it here so you can see exactly. This is it. This is the blue line. This is exactly where we stop right now. Okay, but what's happening now? Of course, we're going to have a little bit of an uptrend inside the downtrend. We never go just down. We go down and up and down. So I'm not excited. A lot of people told me, oh, that's it. We hit the bottom. Look, Bitcoin went up. We're already back in 21,000. To me, it's not exciting. and we're just hitting the level again, and you can see the wick exactly in the level that I draw. I don't move the yellow lines. The yellow lines that you will see on my screen, they're always there. I don't move them, okay? What I did draw is this line. This is the line I draw today, and you will see it in the hourly, and then you will understand why I draw this line. Okay, this is the line of the trend line we have since we hit basically not the first bottom, but basically since we saw an uptrend, and we have higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, lows. Right now we hit this level of resistance at the 20,800. And I can see a reversal here, okay? You can see the RSI is looking pretty weak, okay? It's basically like a consolidating, you can call it, but you can just see the weakness in the RSI. Once we break, okay, this support line in the RSI, and once we break this support line in this trend line that I draw, I expect us to come very fast again to touch this 17,000, 17.4, okay? This is what I think gonna happen. Can we go up again to 21, 22,000? Sure, of course. We can do it. We can even have another period of consolidating of another 30 days at these levels. There is a possibility. I don't have a lot of people telling me, so when it's gonna stop? When should I buy? Exactly what day? Wednesday? I don't know. I'm not a crystal ball. All I can say is what I think the next level. I don't know how long it's gonna take, because there is a chance we're gonna have consolidation also. What do I really think? I don't think we're gonna have a major consolidation of 30 days like we had here, because here we were really still, maybe most people were optimistic of a move up. And here, I think the sentiment has changed after this drop. People experienced too many dips already. We had this dip, consolidation, this dip, consolidation, this dip, consolidation. People are losing their minds already. And plus, with the recession, inflation, all these nation words, people are being more pessimistic about the market for a reason. And that's why I think the sentiment has changed. People don't want to buy it. They're very scared, which this is when I like to buy. But I think we can squeeze the lemon a little bit more. And what do I mean by that? Like I said before, the 13,000 level. This is the squeeze of the lemon. A lot of people are also talking about the 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 levels, which can happen too. So this is where I see Bitcoin. We will need to see. But again, just to sum it up, I think that now we are hitting the resistance. Once we break this trend line, we will go back to touch the 17,000, basically the bottom that we have at the 17,576, 571, something like this. And from there, we may have a double bottom and consolidation, or if we break it, we will go very fast to the next level, which is 13,000. Let's go over the SPY real quick. As you can see here, okay, we had a pretty crazy few days in the SPY. Big ups, down. Like I said, once we break this area, we will have big days, big red days, which is exactly what we had. Big up, big red day, big up, big red day. We had a little bit of a bounce from this level of support. Again, this is lines that I draw before, and they work perfectly. Okay, this is the lines of support here. We went and broke this line very fast. We had only 1 day, basically 2 days of a bounce, and broke it again. We could have a little bounce again from here to touch and to get resistance from this line again. It's only 2%. It's really possible. I think in general, the next stop, long term, I'm not talking about just the next day. I'm talking about just maybe the next. I'm sorry, maybe next week or two. My target will be around the 352, which honestly can happen in a day. One bad day of 3% makes sense. We had a lot of those lately. It's not gonna be super dramatic. It will just be another big red day. And this is the last level of support that I put before, because I didn't really believe it's gonna go below that. This is what my point of view when I looked at the S&P. I really thought that this will be the last level of about 352, 354. I didn't think. However, now I do think there is a chance we're gonna even break these levels. Okay, there is a chance like this because we are already here, and the sentiment hasn't changed, and everything is just the same fundamentally with the economy. So I don't see a reason why the stock market should go up right now. I just don't see the reason. I don't know. For me, unless we will have very good, amazing news that, like, wow news, there is no reason to go up. Only reasons to go down from here. So if we look on the next levels of what should we expect, I think the next big level will be right here. Let's draw it together. Let's draw a new line. Okay, so I think it will be this area. This is where we should be in the next level. We can make it a little bit more accurate. And I do it together with you, so you see exactly what I do. I just look at the touch points that make sense. Just right here makes sense to me. So we have touch point here, touch point here, touch point here, touch point here, and another touch point here. So this level is the 342. Below that, one more level that we can draw will be just right here. And this is also a pretty strong level with many touch points. I will try to make it. I don't like to draw lines of support. I like to draw areas of support. It gives you more of accuracy, let's say, because once you draw a line, you're gonna stick and fall in love with the line. But it's not really about a line; it's an area. Okay, and this is how you're gonna see way better and know exactly where in your opinion that's gonna stop. Okay, this is the right major level of support. As you can see, touch point here, 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 touch point here. That's enough touch points, and that's a lot of touch points for the S&P, and that's gonna be around the 322. So this is my predictions for this week. We're not gonna go to the 320 right now. This week it will take more time to get there, and it will take more bad news. But I hope you stay tuned, subscribe, so we can actually see and go forward together, and I can give you every day of what I see is going to happen in the market, so you can trade smarter, invest smarter, and just be better. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Enjoy.